Hello guys and gals, just a really quick follow-up to last week's video. So remember I showed you a simple hack to change a major track into a minor track like this. If you have access to the stems, you can just take the bass to -3. That would make the track minor now. Well, I've got a little follow-up for you. So if you change the bass to -3, that would change this track from C major to A minor, what we call the relative minor. I did it that way because it was easiest. It was the least number of things to change. But what if you wanted to keep the track in C? Keep the root note of C, but change from C major to C minor. I just wanted to make a quick follow-up to show you can do it the other way. We could transpose everything except the bass +3, and now we have C minor. Here it is again in C major. Keep the bass where it is, put everything else up +3, we've got C minor now. Nice and simple. And the same goes for minor to major. If you need a major, last time I showed you it was -4 on the bass. So our loops here are in C sharp minor. -4 on this bass changes this track from C sharp minor to A major. So same thing we can do if we want to keep this in C sharp, but turn it to major, we take every other part and we do +4. Now we're in C sharp major. I just wanted to point out you could do it in the other direction basically. So I hope that helped out and I'll see you next time.